Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get frequency response in LTspice. First, you need to prepare your circuit schematic. For AC analysis, it's crucial to define an AC voltage source. Right-click on your input voltage source, go to Advanced, and set the AC amplitude to 1 volt. This 1 volt amplitude simplifies interpreting your results, as the output magnitude will directly represent the circuit's gain. Next, let's set up the AC analysis command. Navigate to Simulate in the menu bar, then select Edit Simulations CMD. A dialog box will appear. Click on the AC Analysis tab. Here, you'll choose your sweep type, such as decade, and specify the number of points per decade, for example, 100. Finally, define your start and stop frequencies, like 1 Hz to 1 MHz, to cover your desired range. Once your AC analysis command is set, it's time to run the simulation. Click the Run button, which looks like a running man, on the toolbar. A blank plot window will appear. Now, move your mouse over the output node or wire you wish to analyze. The cursor will change to a voltage probe. Click on it, and LTspice will automatically plot the magnitude and phase of that node's voltage across the specified frequency range. Interpreting the results is straightforward. The generated plot is a Bode plot, showing 2 main graphs. The top graph represents the magnitude response, typically in decibels, illustrating how the circuit's gain changes with frequency. The bottom graph shows the phase response in degrees, indicating the phase shift between the output and input signals. You can use cursors to pinpoint specific frequencies, like the -3 decibel cutoff point, for detailed analysis.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.